So I thought I'd share a couple little things with you that I've learned doing this. Number one, when you get it set up, you don't want to use either one of these kind of hammers to hammer the edge. I mean, if you're going to use plastic filler over the end of it, you know, it'd be okay. They're not real big dents in there, or marks, but I'm not liking them. I got a better finish with this guy hitting it straight on and flattening it out. Another thing I come across I didn't account for, get on the old man's knees here, I'll show you. See how I have these boards here? I didn't account for it on the lip here. So I'm going to tip it over, measure out, do what cuts I need to do, put that in on the ground when it's done. Put this one up in the air, do the cuts I need to do here, and finish flattening this out. Thought I'd take the time to show exactly what I'm doing here. And if you hear noises in the background, that's Bear Roses live. First I was listening to Buck Duff's live, and now Bear Roses live. I do this just about every Saturday when I'm out here working. Enjoy listening to them. But I can't just sit still. I gotta keep busy. Bent them down with the pliers, then went over the hammer like that in a downward motion to try to shape the metal in a downward motion. Now I'm hitting head on so I get a flat surface here. Get it started with this seamer tool. Yeah. Once I get all the way down there, I will go back over it with the orange hammer and go from there. Let's just have this one to go this edge. The other edge needs a little tune up, you know, cutting in and finish up. This edge is done pretty much, just a little tune up there. And that edge is done, I'm pretty sure. Lost track now. Yeah, this just needs a little tune up too. So I'm on the last one. And I decided that the way I'm going to finish this off is use the seam tool to bend it down as far as I can get it to go. The edges is pretty close to done. I got it down, set nice. A little ripply, but we'll take care of that in a minute. I bet you're wondering what these two pieces of press board are. Well, we got this section right here open for my fat belly, and these are for my arms. No, I'm a one-man show here. And I want to put this up. Now this piece of angle iron I cleaned up, made it to bare metal on both sides of this outside edge. Going to mount it up against here, screw it on, and let's just pretend like this is a welding ground clamp. Bam, I can put it anywhere I want along here. So the welding clamp is not going to be on the part I'm welding or the table itself. As far as being up where it can be knocked around and everything, it's sitting right here out of the way. And that's what I'm going to do. That's why these boards are here, to help me hold this up. Because like I said, I'm a one-man show. Once this is in place, these boards come off and bam, we're in business. I'll get it put together and you check it out as soon as I'm done. Here we go some more. So that's the process I'm going to have to do all around this thing. I thought I'd show a little bit of that. But I wanted to show how I was getting this lid down. As you can see, I still got a quarter of a mile to go. But this is, it's because it's late and try not to disturb the neighbors too much. And this is actually a little bit better, help me get it down faster. A little less hammering this way. But anyway, what I'm doing is, I can't remember if I did this or not, but I'll show you. I think I did do this section already, but anyway, this is what's going on. Hammer them down. Take the C-clamp. Using wood on this side. Try to protect the top. You know, it's going to get beat up, but geez, I'd like to protect it before I beat it up, right? I don't know, just what I got going on in my brain. Okay, a little, about 2 inches at most. And then repeat, repeat, repeat. And it's looking really good. It's nice. I'm pleased with the. Okay, there she is, basically done. I have to touch up a little bit underneath, and I have to install the welding ground angle iron piece. I don't even know what to call it, but that's what we're gonna call it for now. And this baby is done. Shoot some brake cleaner on it, clean it up a little bit. Move forward, get that cotton picking project done. So thank you guys for watching. Hit like, subscribe, share, comment for $100 or a chance to win $100. And we'll get it on the next one coming up. Everybody have a good one now.